Hello, traders. I've got a stock that looks great right now, and I'll explain how I found it and why I like it. Subscribe to my channel now and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of these daily trades. You'll help me build my channel, and I'll help you build your account. Let's get started. We are 2 hours into trading. It is Tuesday, February 9th. Hello, traders. Let's take a look at the market, see what we've got working. A little bit of selling this morning. You can see this is the open. Big pop yesterday into the close, though. It was about a 10-point S&P rally. In essence, we gave that back this morning and then a little bit, established this low, long tail under body. That is a bullish hammer. Market tries to rally, got a double top here, and we have a bearish 10P cross. So we needed to be careful there. Got this pullback, deep trough in the indicator right now. We had a bullish hammer right here. This is a long green bullish engulfing candle. If it holds, probably means that the lows are in. We should see the market continue to drift higher. Now, we have had a really good run in the market. You can see that drop that we had 2 weeks ago and the instant rebound. I believe that the market is poised to go higher, but I would not be surprised to see this breakout here at SPY 385.80 be checked one time, maybe briefly, before we continue the next leg higher. That's a really big rally right in there. You can see the 10P indicator on a daily basis also crossing to the bullish side. So you want to be long this market, but I think you need to tread a little bit cautiously in here just because we're going to see a tiny little pullback. So if you're a short-term trader, you'd like to time your entry as best you can, but there are a lot of stocks that are just plowing higher and higher. Cryptocurrencies, pot stocks, EV, super hot. So in those instances, you might as well just hang on, weather this little bit of a storm, and wait for that bounce. But in terms of other stocks like cyclicals, I think you can wait there a little bit. We've got TLRY has been on our bullish explosion alerts since the opening today. Look at that right in there. Goodbye. So that was back at $38, and right now the stock is trading at about $44. These bullish explosions are popping left and right because we've got so many stocks that have this type of volume and unbelievable price action. So it's been the best of times for those bullish explosion alerts. They can get a little annoying at times, but I urge you, don't take them down. You want these alerts. You got to sift through them a little bit, but man, there have been some excellent ones. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart because we want to keep an eye on what's going on in the market. Again, you heard it here. This is a bullish engulfing pattern right here. We got a bullish 10P cross. We are about 2 hours into trading. I think we go higher from here. That was a nice little test, little bid check. Let's see what happens. So let's take a look at the stock that I highlighted yesterday. I'm going to do that every single day. TSM was the stock that I showed you yesterday. You can see how the stock opened higher. It's pulled back with the market a little bit. Realize the market is lower than yesterday's close by a fair amount. We've got the S&P futures down currently about 8 points or so. Stock has been able to tread water. I still like this stock. We'll go into the D1 chart. You can see you've got your flagpole there. You've got your downward sloping trend line. This is a bull flag formation. So I like TSM. I think this is still going to perform really well. And let's take a look and see what else we've got today. We've got a few other stocks that look good, but I'm going to really try and highlight one stock per day. So we'll take a look at a few of these and just click through them, see if there's anything of interest. And there you can see some really nice breakouts. Baidu was one that I highlighted on Friday. Man, has that stock been on an absolute tear. So I really like that. Here's one that caught my eye. Zynga, Z-N-G-A. Got your bullish flag right there. And a breakout. Now, this is not the typical bullish flag that I like. I like to see a nice long rally and then a short-term pullback and then go. This kind of waffled around and made a new high, and then what? There is a stock that I like, and I'm going to use that as my stock of the day. SPG looks pretty interesting. Same kind of deal here. You got a bullish flag and it's breaking out, but see how long it takes for that flag pole to develop? I don't prefer that as much, but yes, a nice horizontal breakout. You can see earnings yesterday after the close, the stock gapped higher to a new relative high. I think SBPG has room to move. Here's one that I like, and this is the stock of the day. NET, net. You can see pulls back, line support right at that 72 level, rallies, another test, double bottom, long tails under body right here, suggesting that there are plenty of buyers here. Now the stock rallies, makes a new relative high, two long green candles closing on their high. Let's take a look at that daily price action. Look at that relative strength. You can see it by putting up the 10P indicator, the 10SI indicator that measures relative strength, orange line above zero. You can also do it by overlaying the SPY. SPY is the gray line. Look what happened when the market was dropping. This is the SPY, this gray line. Market down, 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 stock grinding higher. This is a true tell that there are buyers lined up. They want to get into net. We have a horizontal breakout. This is your pick of the day. I want you to be able to gauge my performance day in and day out. This is a systematic trading approach that works. Yes, I still like TSM. Yes, I still like PLTR. Obviously, I like Baidu, but if you're in Baidu, you should be taking some gains off the table. We could see a little bit of a market pullback to that SPY 385.80 level sometime this week. But if we get that, that will simply represent a buying opportunity. That's where you want to buy on support, because then we will get a really nice leg higher. That's all I've got for you today. This is off of the heavy buying search on Option Stalker. These are other stocks that have relative strength. Right now, I could click through these. You're going to see some really nice stocks in here. Caterpillar, cyclical stock, Airbnb, very interesting. I kind of like it, but it's so thinly traded, not a lot of liquidity, that I didn't put it on the list today, but I might. Downward sloping trend line there. I like Airbnb also, but I may highlight that another time. I'd like to see a little bit better relative strength today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers, and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.